right, fellas, I gotta go. I gotta do the live stream.
All right, man. I'll let you. I'm
Not you,
not gonna
not
be
you,
on the chart.
not you, bro.
I'm outside.
My
I'm
cousins.
outside still.
Okay, bye.
No, you guys can stay. I was talking about my cousins. I was telling them.
Okay, okay.
Oh, you gotta be
Sorry.
specific, man.
I said, all right, fellas.
Hey, I thought you was using fellas as both genders.
Wow, that's crazy, bro. Gold is choosing to buy. Wow. Okay. Coño. And this has been a weird thing lately. I can't change it. Oh, wow. Ladies and gentlemen, what's up? What's up? What's up? This is Sir Hans Felix. Welcome to another welcome to another session. Uh, if you are tuning in right now, please make sure to like and subscribe. We are about to begin. All right, so we see a couple people here already signed in. We saw, oh yeah, Immortal D. This is not Emmett. This is Sir Hans Felix. All right, so um, bless brother Sir Hans. Yes, sir, Justine. You're everywhere today, huh? All right. Here's how my day is already looking like. I tried taking some sales for gold, didn't play out. Tried taking some sales for US 30, didn't play out. So I'm pretty much treading cautiously at this point. At least the sound is good. Yeah, the sound is perfect. I love that. Cool, cool. All right, so what are you guys looking at on the charts? Yeah, you like that? Immortal. Yeah, bro. So, Wealthy Hustle says just in time for giveaway this time. Yes, definitely, definitely, definitely. Here's my little. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So, killing it again, killing it again. I'm not gonna lie, I ain't killed nothing yet. In fact, I was killed. All right, so my plan was to sell gold, but gold is buying. My boy, shout out to my boy. Shout out to my guy Lamel. he said that price was gonna buy, and it looks like that's what's happening right now. So let's see if I have a chance to even get into this trade because it's already up freaking 65 pips, and yesterday's high is up here. But also, I need to pay attention to the amount of pips. Today, we have Jerome Powell will be speaking at 2 p.m. Hold on a second, guys. I think there's a confusion here. I'm about to blow y'all minds today. Damn, Capri. Yo, Vita. So, in case you guys haven't seen the difference, those are two different people. I'm Hans. This is Emmett. All right, guys. I know we're like two light-skinned caramel brothers, but we're not the same people. All right, y'all see it, right? Different hair texture. I got a beard. He doesn't. All right. So we're not the same people. All right. Now let's get back into these trades. So we are potentially bullish internally for gold because I tried taking the sell. It didn't work out for me. So if we ain't selling, then we buy. My computer's a little bit slow because there's too much going on. For my people on Zoom, I know there's 3 apps that usually slow me down. It's Zoom, it's OBS, and Final Cut Pro. So I'm gonna have to close down the Zoom meeting just so I could give my MacBook more performance space. All right, guys. So I'll see you on the other side. Okay. So Okay, so my bias had to shift because it seems like these pairs actually want to maintain a bullish structure. At first, I thought we probably gonna sell off a little bit more, but as far as like Euro USD, I can see the potential to actually move the way I expected them to yesterday. Um, but it's a little confusing on these charts for me. You know, like I'm looking at GU and GU looks like they actually could sell off a little bit more. You go looking at EU, it looks like they're respecting the breaker block. And then I don't know. So Bruce Wayne says I'm in your USD buys. I like it. Jaquel with the eyes. I like it. Haven't been YouTube live stream because I had Wi-Fi issues, but now we back. Welcome back, my brother. Welcome back. I have a great aura. I appreciate it, my man. So, yeah, I mean, I guess we're bullish on gold now. You know, I guess we're bullish on gold. Let's go ahead and focus here. Oh, one more minute until actually 6 seconds until that 9:30 market open. So let's see if this is gonna just be a retest over here. This is looking like a breaker block on a 3-minute. Let's see what happens. At this point, I'm looking for pretty good entry because if I'm gonna take a trade, it can't be a bad one. So I'm gonna quickly take a look at US 30. Somebody come and look at this. You see that, Jaquel? Okay. I don't have a bias yet for today. That's the first answer I'm going to give. Second answer is I don't pay attention to GA like that. So I really don't keep up with GA, fam. It's not a pair that I really go looking for. So you would have to tell me what you've seen, what you've been seeing, and what I think about it, because now it's like I could tell you, oh yeah, this is what I see, and I really was not paying attention. So I'm out of the loop. I'm not in sync with that pair. So I can tell you what I immediately see right now. I see November 1st price came up, retested November 1st, but I can't tell you if they're in a bullish trend or if they're just sweeping that liquidity to sell off. I just pairs that are just side surfing. I don't even know if you're looking for like scalps. So I can't tell. I really can't tell, bro. You guys drop your own analysis and then I'll click the link to see what you guys see. Because some pairs, I don't trade them. AUD CAD, I don't trade that. And it's like 9:33. So I have to give precedence to the pairs that I'm already looking at. You know? So I'm usually looking at my lineup here. GU, EU, US 30, NAS, gold, you know, like those are the ones I in the back of my mind I can have an idea where we're at, you know. So it's better for you guys to drop your own analysis. You can drop it on the general chat on the Discord. I'll take a quick look at it and see what I see what's going on. Um, let's see. Let me check the fortunes market discussions. Let me see you guys drop your analysis so I can see what's going on. All right, that's a much better way for me to keep up. All right, I'll look on the left, I'll see it, and then I'll see what I can do. Okay, guys. All right, now, as far as US 30 and NAS, I tried taking sales. They bought a little bit, and so they're maintaining this area. So I can't tell like if we're gonna sell off really or if not. They've been sending out mixed signals. I honestly think this is the end of the road for them to sell off a little bit towards like um, last Friday, or that was my original bias. This is London's lows, so they're already targeting London's lows. So if we do maintain this area, then I could see us actually selling off. Couple about 45 minutes ago, it honestly looked like they were going to just buy back up. And so that's why we always have to pay attention to, okay, let's look at yesterday's market open. These areas of interest where like we can see if there's going to be a slowdown or if there's going to be a continuation past it. All right, so gold is buying. Where is it buying to? First target is already close. Asia highs on Wednesday, 1954. I guess we're having a midweek reversal because honestly, we were pretty much selling off. When you look to the left here, and you don't really see why price would just stop selling. I don't see much imbalances here. I only see this little imbalance right here from October 17th. So if I go to the 4 hour time frame, I guess this is the pullback that they were using to continue buying. At this point, I really don't have much of a concrete bias. What I thought I saw has completely shifted. So now I have to just pretty much give the market time to breathe to collect the data. Um, 1964, 1946. Wow. DXY bearish. What do I think of the VIX? I don't know anything about the VIX. I don't pay attention to the volatility index. Is the DXY bearish? And the irony is the DXY is not really bearish. Isn't it crazy? Everything that we depend on is doing one thing and then the pairs are doing another. Very confusing times. Am I sick today, brother? No, I'm overwhelmed by many things. But I don't see clarity today. And because I've been working a lot with lights, I need these shades because those shades actually are built for UV rays and screens. And so it helps with my eyes. Justine said, Euro USD looks like it's ready to continue downwards. That was the original bias. But again, this more so looks like they're just going to retrace. So it's very, you guys have to proceed with caution today, man. Proceed with caution because you know how we usually wait and see the dollar index or you look at the trend and you can tell what's going on. When too many of the correlated pairs are not doing the same thing, it can throw you off. It can pretty much throw you off, you know. Let's go back into the dollar index. It doesn't seem bearish for it. Just like it's just consolidating. It's just kind of consolidating, you know. I got you with a 25K giveaway, Justine. Congratulations, bro. I get it. Congratulations, 25K. Definitely, definitely. All right. We got our first winner for today, Brother Justine. Congratulations. Congratulations. All right. GU is looking like it's maintaining this demand, and it's probably the closest to a stop loss that I typically prefer. I think I'm gonna go with GU buys. I had a whole plan for US 30 to sell, and then they bought a little higher, and now they want to sell off. So I don't have a risk plan for them. I'm gonna go with GU. Just like yesterday, I was buying GU, and then they started losing volume. But I like what I'm seeing right now, especially on the M5. Let's go ahead and go for that. 20 pips. 20 pip stop loss. I see gold flying too. So hopefully GU has that same energy, because there was really no way I could get in with that 50 pip stop loss. I only go for trades like that unless like there's really I have to create some type of breathing room. But hopefully the other equities markets follow suit, like GU. Because at least with GU, we caught it early. You know, we saw price break structure, pull back here, maintain, and yeah, that would be perfect for me. My ideal risk style would be perfect for me. Uh, GU. Too bad. If I 2260. Okay, yeah, I'm bullish on GU. This is the best um, choice for me. That's the only one that's a bit more early into the inception of what I should expect from this thing. So it's like 9:46. We got Jerome Powell speaking at 2. Starting to hate when this guy's name pulls up on Forex Factory. Like, you can already tell the markets is not moving the way they're supposed to, you know. So yeah, like when it comes to GU and these buys, you know, the first target for sure is like London. You know, by the time price makes it to London, we're already looking at a 1 to 4. So that is a good setup for me. Yeah, I'm sure EU looks pretty much the same at this point for the buys. Uh, yeah, I think I like that. So, AUD USD. Same thing. It looks like it's the same thing going on per usual. Yeah, AU looks like it pulls back into the previous support. They're using it. Oh, it's previous resistance. They use it as support. That's looking like. Oh yeah, that's a beautiful buy, fam. It's a beautiful buy right here. And you can count on AU to give you good steady price action. So the next 12 hours here, whew, like that. Good morning, Francois. What's going on? Anything for US 30? Man, I was expecting sells for US 30, and they were just doing a lot. I guess I was too early, but they pretty much respected this area, and now they're selling very well. This is what I wanted, but I guess I was in too early. 845, blah blah blah. They went against my trades. They took out the liquidity up here, and then now they sold. So, unless price retraces and gives an entry for the sell, I like to just move on to other opportunities for the day when I'm not getting what I need, just so I don't like overextend myself. You know, US 30 is not an easy beast to tame. So when I take a loss, right, let's say on US 30, or I'm not seeing the extent, what's it called? The ranges of stop loss just don't really make too much sense. It's too far. I go looking for like EUs or GUs, just so I don't have to like risk so much, you know? Because we got to break back even. We got to. Yeah, back to London lows. Jaquel just said. All right, so, yep, NASDAQ sells. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so they use that 830 unemployment claims to buy a little higher, and we got caught up in that, didn't we? Didn't we? We did. We did. So, yeah, I'd rather just focus on GU. Now, somebody asked for AUD CAD. Okay, now I'm seeing these analysis. Mukesh is looking at EU. Nice, bro. Nice. Justine is looking at you're trying to go for the EU counter trade sells, I see. It's not gonna work for you, Brody. It changed up. We gotta change with them. What is this? Okay, same analysis from Mukesh. Good job. Okay, somebody had said AUD CAD earlier. Or AUD USD. Which one was it? Yes, Bruce Wayne. So you wanted to see AUD CAD. I thought you would drop your analysis on the market discussion. But it's okay. Let's take a quick look. Okay. Well, it looks like AUD CAD is bullish. Looks like they retraced a little bit. And this structure to me looks like a retracement that was happening, and now they're ready to buy a little bit higher. Now, since this is not my pair, I don't know much about the volume that it brings, or how long potentially you'll be able to you have to wait. But if we're looking at 4-hour structure here and they're doing a higher low, best case scenario, put the right lot size on, and you gotta wait 4 to 8 to 12 to 16 hours, each of those 4-hour candles, if price is already maintaining a bullish structure. So sit back and put the right risk on. All right, best of luck. So Warren Buffett, that's Clitty trades or what? Can't remember. Do pattern trading really work? I mean, depending on what type of mood the market is in. Really, like, everything works except, like, if they not feeling it, then they not feeling it. These guys do what they want. It's their kingdom. As long as they respecting the demand, as long as they respecting the supply, that's really all it is. When they not respecting it, you will know, because that's when you get clapped. I tried going for sales earlier for US 30 and they bought it a little higher. So I said, okay, well, let me change bias and see what's going on. And then 9:30 reversal. So like clearly this was an M, but the M has to also respect the previous day's order block, you know? So it's not just about patterns, it's also really about like whatever they're trying to do, you know? All right, so GU is moving well, which is good. Definitely had a good analysis on that. Let's see if price picks up. This is pretty damn good. This is the highlight reel we need, huh? Alrighty. Let's see. From the looks of GU, by the time the afternoon comes by, we might even see more of GU's buys and the market makers taking it up a notch. So I could definitely see us like going even higher from the way this is looking. This would be the redemption trade for me too, because the way I started this morning, it didn't look too good. Yeah, so I've been looking for this buy since yesterday, and it's looking like this is the day. But here's my fear: when Jerome speaks, structure just goes out the window, and a brother like me who's trying to hold on to a beautiful setup like this, now I'm having in the back of my mind like, bro, I really hope the market doesn't just like change it up while I'm on a mission to hold my damn trades. So, of course, everybody has the answers. Like, oh yeah, you should close partials. You can do that, and you just move stop loss into profit. That's really what needs to be done, because, or else you could literally be wasting your time putting in trades and trusting your analysis, and the market is like, why do you do that? Should have closed your profits. And it does get annoying. It does get annoying. Have anybody ever experienced that? I'm sure everybody has. Yeah, like, why does it happen when Jerome speaks? I really need to know, like, who does this benefit? Who does this ugly algorithm benefit? When this man speaks, it's just like chaos, bro. Yeah. Mr. Warren Buffett. What's your name on Instagram again, bro? By the way, things are looking pretty good. I'm happy to see that because I am in these trades. All right. I'm not sure about you guys. Shut up, cut up, have to forget to look too nice. All right. Oh, I just remembered. Oh my God. Totally forgot. I have to post all this stuff. All right, if you can guess my age, I'll give you a giveaway. Sheesh, Francois. Damn. How you know, bro? God, hey, Jaquel, that's not fair. That's not fair. See you later. Yeah, I'm 31. That's crazy. Deepak, you're supposed to get that one. I sent that one to you. Francois, did you get a giveaway from Fortunes yet? Cause you were the first one to guess that right. Who else said that? Yeah, I'm 31. Warren said 26, 26, 26 three times. You ain't say that, boy. You wanted me to be 26. That's 5 years ago. I did not say I'm 26. I definitely did not say that. Nah, bro. 5 years, man. Damn, y'all be remembering stuff, man. Y'all the feds. Y'all supposed to not remember. Yeah, Vito, you missed it by one year. All right, it's 10. It's 10 a.m. 10 a.m. If price maintains this structure, then yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to see more buys out of GU. Euro USD is flying. Good. They need to put that volume in GU as well. Okay. What are your Instagram names? What are your Instagram names? All right. Justine, winner of today. Francois, winner of today. And the last guy, Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett, richest 28. Fuck it. Deepak, you win today too, bro. Deepak. Warren. All right, that's it for today. That's it for today. I can never get everybody. Everybody wants a giveaway. Nobody can afford these accounts. Fortunes Funding is going down. You guys can't afford not a one account. Not one. Not one. Everybody wants free. But how do you expect Fortunes Funding to pay if nobody's buying any accounts? Y'all not helping the company out. Y'all just want payouts. This is not good. It's not good. All right. So, today's winners, let me write it down. Make sure you screenshot it. And then make sure you message me on Instagram, okay? All right. So, Justine. Deepak. Warren. Francois. Congratulations. Sir Hans Felix. Boom. Screenshot. Bow. Congratulations, congratulations, congratulations. I'm trying my best here, guys. It used to be 1. I just gave out 4. But I will tell you right now, I can never give 20 giveaways or 10. You guys are going to have to hustle. Invest in yourselves. No one can give you everything for free. Like, we're trying here, but whew, boy, I ain't gonna lie. It's tough out here. It's tough. It's tough. Hard times. Hard times. Everybody is struggling, it seems. But it's always good to actually help the community out. But truth be told, trading is all about money. Like, we're literally in the money markets. Y'all can't just always feel like, oh, if you think about it, Fortunes Funding can't be like, oh, we don't have no money. We got to hustle. We got to use ads. We got to promote ourselves. We have to market. We have to have great traders like me to come on and help. Why? So we can bring revenue, so we can take care of the family. So what do you guys think? All you do is just come here and expect a giveaway. You got to show love. You got to expose us to your community. You have to share. You have to like. You have to comment. You have to engage, because that helps to spread and cover the exposure of the company. There's like 1,001 prop firms and evaluation firms out there. Like, in order for us to stand out, you got to be speaking about us. If you are in some Facebook groups, talk about us. Drop share the YouTube videos to your own communities. I know all of you guys are a part of like 1,001 Discord chats and Telegram groups. Y'all better be spreading the good news. Like, y'all got to participate in this money that you want to be a part of. Like, and we don't just sit here and just trade and make the money and just, oh yeah, this is for fortunes. This is a business. This is a company. We need revenue. We have to upkeep. We're up at so many hours of the day doing meetings, trying to create new ways to help grow this community. So you guys can't just always come here and just expect a handout. Y'all need to put your hands together so we can make this a strong community. Does that make sense? And this is what happens when you stop thinking about you for a second in your situation and think about what does somebody in my position have to do to provide? If you've ever been a provider, you know exactly where I'm coming from. Everybody wants a lifestyle where they don't have to work, but that's always going to come from the expense of somebody else who has to work to provide it. So y'all know what I mean. There's some strong women in this chat. There's some strong kings in this chat. Y'all know it's not easy out here. So make sure you guys are showing love. For sure. Spread, share these YouTube videos. Share the screenshots of our recent payouts. Help out. Pull your own weight. I just gave out $100,000 in giveaways of simulated funds. I was supposed to give 1, but I gave 4. Yeah, you see, we gotta work together. All right. So who's down to work together and make sure that we don't just come here just for giveaways, but also spread the love? Shout out to Clitty Trade. Shout out to Warren Buffett. Shout out to Justine. Shout out to a whole bunch of you guys. Francois, Vita. Low Smurf. I see you guys always posting. I love that. And I always do my best to engage with y'all, respond to. I'll be having hundreds of messages. As soon as I wake up, I gotta respond. But It's part of the job. It's part of the love that you get, you know? You said you're not giving up. Ali, I'm glad you said that, bro. Muhammad Ali Zishan. King, I got your name down, bro. You are not forgotten. It just sucks because, it's, you know, sometimes, man, you wish more people would help out with the tasks, but not everybody is available for that, and nobody wants to be forgotten. So, I got you, bro. I'm gonna be on the lookout for you. Cool, 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 cool. Romaine. That definitely is a name that I see often. Romaine. I see you, bro. I see you. I see you. I see you. All right. The name is Sir Hans Felix, not James. I haven't seen James in weeks. I'm going to blow his phone up after this. Squad, squad, squad. Low Smurf. Low Smurf, did you get a giveaway last time? I'm trying to remember. Who else? Who else? Mr. Warren Buffett. I'm glad you're getting one today, bro. You've been putting on. All right. So GU is still moving. GU is still. Let me show you guys the disrespect that happened to me, not too long ago with US 30. All right. So obviously right now this is looking good, but let me see if y'all seeing this. Where's my mouse? Okay. I tried taking sales for gold and they smacked me. I tried taking US 30 sales earlier and they smacked me, right? So then they want to sell off now, but unfortunately, I don't have the patience to give them another try. So I had to just leave them alone. I had to leave them alone. Like I was in at 155. 34 177, my stop loss at 198, and that's exactly where they went towards the trade. They went right here, took me out. I did kind of want to put my stop loss here at 232, but at the time when it was like right here, I thought that was a little too much, and so this is why I'm missing out on all of this. And afterwards, I kind of thought maybe we'd be buying, but it's not what happened. So this is why I tell you I'm really grateful for GU's buys here, because at least I can hold on to a solid setup where hopefully we could see more of these buys here. That would be very beneficial because I keep breaking back even and I hate that crap. So now on this, what is this, a phase one? It's a phase one right here. And because of all the crazy shenanigans, I did not get to touch the other accounts, which is unfortunate. So this is why, like, I tell y'all, I'm pretty much grateful. I'm pretty much grateful. Did you guys see it? Did you guys see those trades that I showed you? Share it on Instagram. Good, thank you, appreciate it, Mohammed. Yeah. So I show you guys these trades because like you might see me posting on my stories. Sometimes I have really great streaks. Sometimes I have really great trade setups. But then when things start to change up, it gets crazy and you got to keep your composure. my boy Akeem and my other brothers from SEAL Team 6, we literally was like discussing um, US 30 yesterday when they sold off. And then when I woke up at like 6 something this morning, I'm like, what the heck is this? What kind of. And then at the time, my boy saw it as a W formation, which it was, but then price could not break past yesterday's market opened between 9 and 10. So, of course, they took off. But when they closed me out, I'm like, all right, well, maybe we are bullish after all. And I was kind of already turned off. So I had to go looking for a better setup that's going to hold me down instead of like trying to get in some bad entries for US 30. I'm not sitting here trying to lose a whole bunch of money, you know? So stuff like these are very important, man. Right. And a whole bunch of meetings that I have to do on top of that. And I got to go to therapy and stuff because of my accident. They just called me. So, like, life has been lifing lately, guys. I'm not even going to hold you. So, it's not easy maintaining so much pressure. And I got private students. I got the Pam. By the way, shout out to my Pam. We moved over to MT5, and we are already at the top 4 at 29%. Shout out to my Pam, man. If you guys are interested in my ma'am or Pam, definitely check out Sway Markets. I will drop. Just reach out to me on Instagram. I get you right. I get you right. You know? So, here we are. So, to those people who actually won today, make sure you reach out to me. The minimum $500. Minimum $500. All right. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Please engage in a project like this with funds that you are capable of risking. All right. I do know that we are recorded here on a world broadcast, so I'm not trying to sit here and play around with my life. Okay. Okay. Yeah, man. Life has a funny way of just attacking you in many areas and weak points. And so you have to just learn to keep getting back up, man. It's not easy, but it is the byproduct of the economy that we're living in. Like, I can't sit still because we got to keep moving. Every time the bank account decreases with bills, you got to be like, shit, all right, what we doing? What we doing? All right, so it's not easy out here, man. But on a good note, looks like GU is definitely paying off. It's good to see. Let me pay attention to how many pips I'm in. I got in at 77. Price is at 90, so got in at 77. We're up 17 pips here. Okay, typically this is a setup I want to hold. Boy. Let me check the chat. All right. My man said, what's your entry? Let me show you guys. Let me share the screen one more time. Let me share my screen. Okay. My two entries are 1.2277. Stop loss is at 1.2260. I have another entry at 1.2286. Same stop loss. Those are my entries. On MT5. Oh, wrong account. On MT5, pretty much the same thing. 1.2278, 76. Stop loss at 65. That's pretty damn nice though. 76 minus 65. We're looking at 11 pip stop loss. Here's the annoying part, right? We can talk about it. Price is kind of slowing down, and before it kind of comes back here, you either got to move your stop loss to break even or close partials. So oh, perfect. I just pretty much covered the previous loss. But this is the M5. I'm not trying to stay caught up in the M5. This is like a solid W formation. I don't want to mess around with it too much for real. We're just going to have to give this thing time to play out. This is a solid setup. Like, we had price literally break structure, pull back, retested the zone, mitigated. If this is not a beautiful buy, then just know the markets are all the way rigged. Literally. All right, so in a different angle, what do you mean? Like, we're talking about the conversations or like the camera angles? Or do you mean angle like perspective? Keem said, I'm holding. Hold the line. My brother. Oh, the camera angles. You like that? That's crazy. It be the little things people appreciate and sometimes criticize. It's like, wow, I wasn't even thinking that's something that really, you know. Hablo español un poquito, you know, de tiempo a tiempo a veces. Es un placer, go traders. Yes, and si quiere no sabes. Nobody knows this, but they could be spinning, you know. I learned from my guy Akeem. DJ Easy Pips on the mic. Don't forget. Don't forget. Don't forget. Yes, sir. What language is that, Sir Hans? I just spoke a little bit of Spanish, you know, nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. They call me the Haitian ghost from Power, in case you guys didn't know. I got different personas, different personas. I'm very lethal. Very lethal. Don't let the niceties fool you. Don't let the big words from college and high school fool you. You know. Don't let that happen. Appreciate it, Brody. I need something to protect my eyes, bro. At many points of the day, my right eye be twitching, and I'm like, yep, I gotta get me some shades that are like for the screens. Feels good too. Like I definitely feel less pressure on my eyes. Let him cook. Man, look at gold. I really wish I could have gotten into a better entry for gold, but yeah, like 50 pips only if I'm like thinking long term. I probably like, but not after I just took a loss. I'm not gonna go for a trade that has so much risk. I'd rather go for something that's similar. Like I know GU, EU, and gold, they pretty much have the same tendencies, except when gold is like, we're gonna buy crazy because every institution is just investing right now. Typically, that's what happens. So, A little bit of pullback going on. Yes, blue light blocking glasses. Yes, yes. Muhammad said you are short on gold. Damn. Good luck to you, bro. I don't see it selling all the way to 40. Maybe a little retracement to 52. Cause is this not a break of structure? Let me know. What do you guys think? Is this not an internal break? Oh my God, trading view. Is this not an internal break of structure? I stream on Thursdays today. Prashant, what's up, man? Yeah, so if it's an internal break of structure, then why would we want to be selling it all the way down to 1940? That's an over anticipation, in my opinion, right? So the most we could see is a retracement and a continuation back to yesterday's highs or maybe higher. So, like, in my opinion, who was it? Damn it. In my opinion, if you go for a sell on gold until 1940, make sure you are scaling in and moving your stop loss along the way. All right, so went from 5K to negative $121. Who do you think are the most profitable, guys? Scalpers, swing traders, or intraday traders? Who do you think are the most? What style do you think is the most profitable? Can't believe it's already Thursday, bro. Excuse me, guys. Oh boy, these mother. Bradbury says, "I'll be back." All right. Sorry about that. So, John Trader says, "Brother, I've seen you on Instagram Reels." Yes, sir. Can I check? Can I check USDJPY? Let me see. Oh, yeah, UJ. I hate this. I hate internal consolidation. This. I hate channels, bro. I hate, bro. Can, This is crazy. This lag is so weird. There we go. I'm gonna start using this. Honestly, if you're confused, stay out. I definitely see them just buying, but like it looks really weird to me. But guys, always remember, if it wasn't a pair that I was paying attention to, oops. If it was a pair that I wasn't paying attention to all week, be careful when you ask me about my buys, because you should know the pair better than me if you're trading it more often than me. But the thing is, USDJPY looks like it's consolidating. Made its way to last month. What we in November? We made it to last month's supply zone here. You would kind of expect to see a sell, but unless you see a break of structure again, or you decide to take that sell when it's ready, then it's on you. But the thing is, for a minute now, UJ would find any way possible to buy because of the strength of the dollar, and then just the Japanese yen interest rates remaining low. So like I just would be careful. Especially, I don't know if you're a swing trader, scalper, intraday trader. If you're looking for your pips for the day, if that's not the setup that's usually go for, don't force it. All right. If you're confused, there's a reason why you're confused, because you're not used to seeing that setup before, right? Sometimes it's good to be confused because that tells you this ain't your pair setup. This is not the setup you're comfortable with. So we're not going to force it. Make sense? All right, please check Euro USD, bro. Yeah, we're bullish. We're bullish for Euro USD. Just a slight pullback. I know y'all be scared of those pullbacks. I don't blame you. But I don't think this completely changes the narrative. Does it? Y'all gotta understand too. Like, I'm on the same boat as y'all sometimes, man. Like, the only thing that can save us is risk management. Suggest you the pair to trade. Which pairs do you trade? Which pairs do you trade other than UJ? Yeah, sometimes the best trade is no trade. Like, GU is nice. Let me tell you guys something. If you're a trader, you've been trading for a little bit, you know what you like and what you don't like. So, you like structure, right? Okay. If you like structure, you don't see structure on a pair for the week, move that pair to the bottom. Like, we're not trading that pair this week. You know? Do you like supply and demand setups? Okay, you go looking for the pair that has that. it's just like preferences and people you like. You like ass, right? Okay, you know where to find it. Zanzibar, Kenya, Nigeria, Atlanta, Houston, South Florida. You know, like, you know what you like, so it starts with knowing what you like. You like pretty lips, right? Okay. You walk into some place, you see a woman, she's single, whatever. Hey, you have some pretty nice lips. So it's the same with the market. Like, I can't just suggest something to you. Maybe you don't like certain things. I know I like order, I like structure, I like clarity. So I'm gonna look for something that strikes my eyes. And I'm like, you know what, GU? I like you. I like you. You know, you move with EU, you kind of have the same tendencies as EU, but you give more pips. I like you. Okay. I like the structure. I've studied this type of structure before. I can see myself taking this risk. So I take the trade, I take the risk, and the rest is history. So, like, it's these type of things help you to know what you like and what you suggest. Like, I used to trade GBP AUD back in 2019. I told you guys that, 2018 and stuff. But after COVID, I just was like, yo, every time I'm in a trade with GA, it's just like doing a whole bunch of weird stuff. And I'm like, okay, I tolerated it. Did it again, blew my account. Obviously, I'm also to blame. And I'm like, what if I just don't fit with GA's shenanigans anymore? And I promise you, ever since then, I've not looked at GA at all. And every time I go back to GA, I'm like, okay, I see you still on the same bullshit. You take care of yourself, GA. I ain't got time. I don't have the time. Sometimes I don't even mess with US 30. I'm like, bro, you're doing a lot. I'm losing some funds here. Let me go check in with GU or EU. Or sometimes gold is just doing too much for me. I'm like, all right, gold, you sit right there. Yeah. Maybe in the future, if we have the same compatibility, I'll check with you. So you have to know what you like first in order for you to know what fits you on the charts. So I was trading nothing but UJ and GJ back in July. Then they started doing these weird wicks, 100 pip wicks. I'm like, oh, okay. Okay. What's up? Why are we doing that? Oh, I don't have no explanation for you. I'm the market. All right, sweetheart. Don't worry. No, it's okay. No, it's okay. I'm out of here. I'm never going to stay in a relationship where it's abuse. I'm too handsome. And I keep the same energy everywhere. The charts, relationships, business relations, like my value, I always value myself first. Because I know I bring value. I'm a very compassionate person. I have a lot of love in me. So if something is not treating me right, why should I suffer? Why? If it doesn't align with me, why do I stay? Why? Y'all have to have that same type of value for yourself. If a pair is doing you dirty, leave that. It's mad pairs. It's trying to stay loyal to what? For what? Clock. I don't do that shit, bro. So, like, a pair literally has a few things. Like, you got like 3 strikes. You start acting weird, I'm not messing with you. I saw gold, but I pulled what's it called? I pulled the measuring stick And when price was already moving, I'm like, damn, if I try and get in gold, I'm gonna have to put my stop loss at 1948. That's 63 pips. Do I really need to risk 63 pips to make some money? And then I so happened to look at GU, and then GU was like trading right here. And I'm like, oh shoot. Yeah, if I put my stop loss like here, I'm okay with 18 pips, and the potential could be a lot more. Yeah, I'm cool with that. I'll go ahead and choose that. So that's why I like the GU, the EU, the gold, because they're like the USD pretty much dictates what it does. And so that's why sometimes I go off that. I'm like, all right, if one of y'all look better than the other, I just trade you. If US 30's doing too much, or maybe I'm already so much, I'm way ahead in my profits. I'm like, all right, let's go find some less risky pairs to trade, less risky setups to trade, because ultimately I'm trying to stick within the realms of profitability, you know. So stuff like that. The stand up trader comedian. Yeah, I get that a lot. Yes, Euro USD. Yes, the most traded pair in the world. That's true, bro. Yeah. The FX South African says so. GW is over. By the way, Kenya do not got that gat. Really? I can't speak too much on that because I'm on YouTube, but I met like two Kenyans. Yeah. So I don't know, bro. I met two Kenyans in my life, and they both was. I'm like, okay, all right, okay. You've got to be kidding me. I'm like, oh, God is good all the time. I've never been to Kenya, but in America, the way it is like if you living in the right zone, you could have Africa right there, you know? So, am I drinking water or definitely drinking water, bro? I know I got the shade and everything and I'm very animated. This is fueling me. The profitable trade setup is fueling me. This is water. Definitely water, bro. It's like 10:45 in the morning. If I'm not drinking water, and yo, like I love water, bro. Buenas vibras. Ya tú sabes, man. Ya tú sabes. Activo. Siempre activo. All right. Okay, so the patience is actually paying off. This is just, it's 10:45 in the morning. Oh, here's another point. Sometimes you go trading US 30 and you're chasing the 200 points, right? And then GU gives you a setup like 12 pip, 15 pip stop loss, and 45 pip TP. Which one would you choose? Like if US 30, I have to risk 70 points, 50 points, 100 points for a 1 to 2. But then the 1 to 2 here is a lot less risky. Which one would you choose? See you, my G. See you next time, bro. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, Sir Hans Felix, baby. Turn up Thursdays with Hans. It's crazy because for as long as I've been doing live trading for different companies, it's always been the same vibe. And those who've been with me, they know this as a fact. You know, I think I should probably start going live on my YouTube more often, but I hate being an entertainer when literally like money is on the line. Like, I'm a different person when I'm trading by myself. I'm very quiet, very calculative, but when I'm on YouTube stream, like, I gotta entertain you guys. I gotta give you my extroverted side. But really, if I ain't gotta do it, I'm probably not gonna need to do it. I'm like, bro, I only gotta entertain nobody, bro. Like, just gotta sit here and focus, you know? Yeah, it takes a lot of energy, lights, responding to everybody, giving everybody attention. Like, that could cost you some trades. By the time you thinking about what you should have done, you just so caught up in everybody else. Trading doesn't involve all that, man. Like, honestly, all this is for like impacting the world, teaching. But once you know what you know, you really don't have to do that crap. Like, just focus on your performance and results. That's really it. So it's a blessing to participate in a live session like this because, most of y'all couldn't even afford like a monthly subscription. And then the crazy thing is, online you see people like bashing others. Oh yeah, they didn't make money off of trading only. They made money off of their Discord. Well, if they're providing value, then what the fuck is the problem? Like, in this industry, bro, like, sometimes I read comments and I'm like, you see, this is why people don't deserve my time. Like, I'm subscribed to this industry, and at the same time, I'm not. And that's why I move how I move. I love giving value, but if people don't appreciate it, Trading Zane, what's up? Hey, like most of us are right now, just quiet and listening to you. It just sucks trading alone. Yeah, I get it. Sir, I hope my giveaway is on process. Nah, bro, you missed it, fam. I like that one. But follow me on Instagram and show love. You probably just showed up. I had a whole speech about how to help the company, Yeah, GU is struggling. But that doesn't mean get out, That does not mean get out. But I hate the struggle too. I hate it. I'm like, if I sit here and trust you, will you bite me? Will you bite me? That's the thing. You trying not to build too much of a relationship with the pair. You came here standing on business, right? But there still has to be a little bit of trust factor with the pair, but with good risk to reward. Because sometimes you're like, yo, I know this trade had potential. Why did it lose volume? Why is it that price went towards my stop loss? As the stop loss was nicely placed, then they're like, yeet. It's like, where is the market maker's address? I just want to talk. Just want to talk about it. Why do you have knives? No, I just want to talk. Why are you loading your gun? Safety. Safety. Which brand hoodie do I have? This is my brother's brand, my little brother's brand. Sauce Supply. Established since 2016. When he was 16 years old, he had his own brand, and I've been rocking it ever since. So he has a lot of hoodies. And honestly, I don't even know if the website is up right now. But they're like so comfortable. So I have like 6 of the same color because I like black. And I got red, I got blue, I got green, but black, something about black, man. It's wears on me very nicely. And I like to think I'm Batman too sometimes in my head, so the black makes sense. And yeah, you like my shades. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. The psychology is also on another benefit, which I get here. Seeing the people in the industry still live normal lives. Yeah, bro, we live normal lives. Not everybody has like 3 freaking Lambos parked outside. Winter is also coming. Yes. 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 Yes, sir. Talk. Yes, sir. Good job, fam. Good job. It's crazy. You wouldn't know how much you inspire your own peers until you see like certain topics being like spoken about. I like that. I like that. Tomorrow live stream. I only go on Thursdays, Brody. Let me see what the trades are still looking like. Okay, well, I can't really babysit these trades any longer, so I'm gonna let them do what they need to do. Congratulations to today's winners. And for those who haven't won yet, don't lose hope. All right, but most importantly, don't just wait for giveaways. If you can't afford it, invest in your opportunities. Okay? So, with that being said, guys, have a great rest of your day. I'm proud to say that this trade setup definitely has a lot more potential. We could definitely see price having the potential of buying back maybe to a new high or something, or I made that mistake again. Let me use this right here. Ideally, since prices literally pulled back into this imbalance from last Friday, I would imagine we're heading back towards what is this? Monday's highs. Of course, I would want to see that. So hopefully by 2 p.m. when Jerome starts speaking, maybe that goes in our favor. Really can't tell. No guarantees. And so for those of you guys who want today's giveaway, please reach out to me. I'll tell you what to do. And thank you so much. Have a great rest of your day. I'll give it next time, bro. I gave 4. Like, if that's the case, then all 150 are gonna get a giveaway. That's not a good look for the company, you know. I gave 4 today. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. We can't always give giveaways to struggling cases. That doesn't mean you're gonna actually win the challenge. I need people who are either are struggling but are ready to kill, because you'd be surprised what you do with a struggling mentality when it comes to trading. Go right back to square one. Now you're more depressed. It's like, oh man, this was my only chance and I blew it. Oh my God. You know? So I need people to know that their circumstances does not define them. Sometimes I get the energy that you guys are letting your circumstance define who you are. No. Kingship. Predator energy. Execution mentality. Beast. Not letting life knock you down. I know it's tough, but I'm wired that way. And when I don't feel my best, it really kills me, because I hate not feeling that way. Because that's my energy, you know? So keep fighting, keep pushing, keep sticking up for yourself. You got the skill set you've been learning for a while. Build a community, you know? $20 entry. Something like... something. There's always a way to find a way to market yourself to get some type of income stream. Don't rely on people to just hand out stuff and make you feel lesser than. All right? I'm always trying to empower you guys. Like, don't feel like you're inferior by asking all the time. Got to keep your head held high, you know? I respect you guys, so respect yourself. You know? So that's it. Anyways, hopefully we see a continuation out of GBP USD. It is now 11:02 a.m. hopefully we get some more volume, and if not, I'm gonna start closing partials maybe by 12 or so, and we'll see how things go. All right, guys. Appreciate it.